Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to add or update your email address on Spotify. Whether you are an artist who wants to include your contact info or just need to change your email, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the profile picture of yourself. Now simply select it. Now tap onto the settings and privacy option. Here you can find the account option at the first. Now simply select it. And here you can find the email. Now simply tap onto the edit button. Now to add the email, simply remove the email that has been existed and then add a new email. Once you have entered the new email, make sure to hit save to confirm your changes. And then simply tap on to save profile. And that's how you add or change your email address on Spotify. It's a super simple process that only takes a couple of minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.